Ladies and gentlemen, an event of this magnitude needs a lot of support from a multitude of factions. Today would not have been possible not for the unwavering support of the Dean, Faculty of Medicine. Professor Jennifer Pereira has stood with us through thick and thin and has been a pillar of strength in making today a success. Madam, the floor is yours.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Dr. Piyush Athapattu, the Senior Treasurer of the Vasat Sarani, and the light is actually very difficult for me. Right, because maybe I should look this side. And all the academic staff members, all distinguished invitees, and President of the Medical Students Union and other welfare societies, Imalka Kokila, and the President of the Vasat Sarani, Sasindu. I'm very pleased to be here. Even before I became the Dean, I have been attending your Freshers Welcome, these extravaganza annually. It is an enjoyable event for me. And when I received so many calls in the morning when the madam is coming, I had no option but to come, even though I have a torn muscle. Right. So, but anyway, I can sit and watch everything, so that's not a big thing. And my husband is also here, so he helped me to get here. So that was a great strength. So every year you improve by the day your talents. You see the decorations, the preparation that goes into it. In the evenings, I have noticed all of you are staying after classes and practicing so that you make it perfect. And this is an important aspect of your life because you make friendships, you know how to work in teams, and also how to, you know how to give and take, how to share things. So this is one of the important areas in your university life which you will remember forever. Because with the new technology, you can document everything. The provision that we didn't have when we were students. We have very few pictures, but now everything can be photographed and kept as soft copies, and so you can actually revisit them like when you reach, like we have reached. I graduated in 1979, that was almost 40 years ago, right? So we are having a get together next year, 40-year celebration, and we are collecting the pictures. And it's so good to see that pictures of we called it block night, and we had our block concert. Those were the things that we had. We didn't have Ninnada like this. So I think this would be a memorable event in the years to come. Now you will not appreciate it immediately. But in years to come, you can look at the pictures and share memories and think of the good times that you had. So it is a lovely event, and I'm sure all of you all are going to enjoy it. One little thing that I would like to say is you need to put the same effort when you do your studies as well. I know it's a difficult task, not sometimes very enjoyable. It's tough, it's stressful. Here you relax and enjoy, but that is your vocation. You want to be a good doctor. So that is, I think it's a calling. It's just not any other profession. You are called by some superpower, I believe, to be a doctor. It's your fate or your calling to serve the people so that you make the sick people well, both physically as well as in mind. It's just not only the physical part of the illness that you have to think. Most patients would also want that healing for the mind, their disturbed minds. So I hope that you will take this message back when you start your studies. And I wish all of you a very enjoyable evening. After the concert, I know you're going back to the faculty to have your dancing and other aspects of the program. So I hope that you will behave responsibly and take note of that as well. And have a very, very enjoyable and relaxing evening. Thank you very much for inviting me, because I always enjoy these events done by you, because they are so relaxing and brings me a lot of good memories that I went through as a student many, many years ago. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear madam, for your inspiring speech. Even your presence here today is a great strength to us. As you said, we hope that all of you will remember today's memorable evening. Now, to present a token of appreciation to our beloved Dean, I invite Chamat Lavinder, the batch representative of the 2015 batch.